Title: The Maternity Manifesto, U.S. Pregnant Workers Fairness Act pops a new era of rights. TLDR. Gone are the days of baby or bread for pregnant workers in the U.S. Starting Tuesday, with the new Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, pregnant employees won't have to juggle their health and jobs any longer. It's a major win for both mama bears and future cubs. But the big question is, will this be the start of a fair work revolution? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into an era-defining change in the American workplace. And no, it's not another tech bro inventing an app that delivers avocados to your door. Instead, it's a game-changing law that's making employers and employees sit up and take note. We're talking about the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, folks, and it's causing quite the baby boom in rights for expecting workers. From Tuesday, employers better be ready to step up their pregnancy game. This act bars any discrimination against pregnant women in the workplace and mandates companies to accommodate these superwomen so they can continue smashing their career goals while also preparing for the miracle of life. Is this the birth of a new age in worker protection? The question we should all be asking, though, is why did it take so long for this to become a reality? Maybe we've been too busy watching cat videos to demand better rights for our working moms? According to experts, this act is a massive leap forward for promoting women's health and economic well-being. No longer do expectant mothers need to choose between their paycheck and their health. That's a choice no one should ever have to make. Talk about a much-needed reality check, am I right? Consider Lisa, a warehouse worker from Detroit who, during her pregnancy, had to choose between keeping her job and keeping herself and her baby healthy. With the introduction of this act, the Lisas of the world won't have to make such a tough choice ever again. So, let's spare a thought for all the Lisas who have struggled before and look forward to a brighter future for all the expecting mamas out there. Okay, so we've established that this law is a game changer. But is this the endgame, or just the first level? What's next on the agenda? Are we talking maternity leave that doesn't suck? Workplaces that genuinely care about work-life balance? Equal pay? While the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act is a step in the right direction, there's still a long way to go. After all, creating a more equitable and inclusive work environment is a marathon, not a sprint. Disclaimer: this article is purely for informational purposes and is not intended to provide legal advice. So now, it's over to you, dear readers. Do you think the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act is the start of a revolution in workers' rights, or just a one-off? And if you could add one more law to improve workers' rights, what would it be? We're all ears.